Okay, a few years ago, I demonstrated how to do legs and arms using a towel. If you're on carpeting, you can use a Tupperware lid. For example, you have one foot on the towel and you slide out and you slide in. Slide out, slide in. There's a number of ways to do this. You can have a towel under each foot, back and forward, back and forward. You can put them under your hands as well. So today I'm going to demonstrate a higher end version of a towel. These are called discs or Skilz or slides. They come in various colors and costs, all right? So with the disc, they slide on carpet, wood, tile. I prefer not to use arms. And you slide. They're a little noisy. I like a towel because notice you didn't hear the towel. These are a little noisy, but they are slippery, which makes it harder. Notice I'm sliding around and in, out and in, and out and in. Yes, you can do the same thing just by tapping, but if you want something a little different, or you can be on all fours, put one under a hand, right? And you can slide out and slide in. Here's core. A lot of you have used wheels. I'm not on a pad on my knees, so this hurts the knees a little bit, but you get the gist. Slide out, slide back. It's a good way to get your full core. I've done it with my clients this way, where I slide out with one arm and pull back. Inhale out, exhale back. Or one last demonstration. One toe on each one. Great for plank, in and out. Or pulling up and back. Again, you can do it with a towel, but I just want to demonstrate a little gadget just to add some variety with your workouts. Okay, bye.